All right, this is what Summit Chiropractic looks like when you get in. So we have a friendly front desk here. We got some elderberry syrup to keep people healthy. But overall, just a basic. Here's our motto, our mission. It's to empower, encourage, and educate the principles of chiropractic to create a healthy community. We believe that everyone deserves to live the life to the fullest and reach their summit. There we are, Summit Chiropractic. So we walk in, we have a massage room, of course. And then we have the doctor's office, my office, Dr. Marcus Kasper. Got some wedding photos. A cool thing my grandpa passed down on to me. He was a chiropractor as well. Partly why I became a chiropractor. And then we go through, I got some nerve chart. Just shows how complex our bodies truly are. And sometimes we're just pointing this out, visually telling people, wow, this is what coordinates and regulates our entire body. And this is what I try to stimulate and turn on and try to correct. We also have our fuse box chart. I call it the fuse box chart. It just shows what areas are the biggest issues for people. I'm just going to point out C1 is usually the biggest problem, headaches, get all those issues. And then all of a sudden, optimal health is more than just feeling well. We have all sorts of different nerves in our entire body. But this is our little adjustment bay here. We got our nice walls made by our neighbor here. So, and then we have some tools as well. So we have some of this doesn't get usually used very much, but we do have some massage vibrational tools to help work on some of the muscles. My Bluetooth speaker is just charging in right now. And of course, we have a second bay as well. Just because we do see a lot of families, a lot of people that come into the office. And of course, over here, we have a waiting area. We are creating a testimonial wall. So we have a testimonial wall starting, and we have a couple more families that are going to be put up there. So I know it's a little bare for now. And then we have a kids area. And so this is our little fun area. If you ever find me hiding over here, then you know I'm just getting into trouble. And then so we have some magnetic tiles, which have been a big new hit. They're fun. The kids are so creative. I tell you, they're more creative than I am. And then, so we come through here, bathroom, nothing important in there. And then we do have an x-ray room that just shoots cervical and lumbar views. We do find it is necessary for some people to have x-rays just to see what is the root cause of their problem. So, yeah, nothing crazy. So that's what we got. This is Summit Chiropractic. Let us know how you like it. All right. Oh, yeah. And new year, new hours. Just trying to open up a little bit later on Monday. All right. Bye.